the hierarchy of biological organization. Atom, molecule, organelle, cell, tissue, organ, organ system, organism, population, community, ecosystem, biosphere. 2. Physiology versus anatomy. Anatomy, structure of the body. Physiology, function of the body. 3. Examples of the tissues that belong to each of the 4 human tissue types. 1. Epithelial. 2. Connective. 3. Muscle. 4. Nervous. 4. Know the function of the 4 human tissue types. 1. Epithelial, skin, most basic, what you see, protection, absorption. 2. Connective, bind structure, support and protection, serves as framework. 3. Muscle, movement, things that contract. 4. Nervous, transmit signal, brain and spinal cord, coordinate, regulate. 5. Another name for fat and the role of this tissue. Adipose tissue equals energy and mineral storage in the form of lipids. 6. Most abundant tissue in most animals. Connective tissue. 7. Tendon versus ligament. Tendon connects muscle to bone, ligament connects bone to bone. 8. Function of the various human organ systems. Reproductive system, produces gametes. Lymphatic/immune system, defends against infection. Cardiovascular/circulatory system, transports oxygen, nutrients, hormones. Respiratory system, brings oxygen into the body and removes carbon dioxide through the lungs. Digestive system, breaks down food into absorbable nutrients and eliminates solid waste. Nervous system, detects stimuli, processes information. Endocrine system, regulates long-term body processes, growth, metabolism, reproduction, using hormones. Muscular system, enables movement of the body and internal organs, maintains posture, and generates heat. Skeletal system, provides structural support, protects organs, and produces blood cells. Integumentary system, skin protects the body, regulates temperature, and prevents dehydration. Urinary/excretory system, filters waste products from the blood and regulates fluid balance. Digestive, digestion, respiratory, gas exchange, circulatory, transport, nervous, control, muscular, movement, skeletal, support, excretory, waste removal, reproductive, reproduction, integumentary. Protection, endocrine, hormonal regulation. 9. Examples of organs that belong to the various human organ systems. Digestive, stomach. Respiratory, lungs. Circulatory, heart. Nervous, brain. Muscular, biceps. Skeletal, femur. Excretory, kidney. Reproductive, ovaries/testes. Integumentary, skin. Endocrine, thyroid. 10. 4 stages of food processing. Ingestion. Digestion. Absorption. Eliminate. 11. Areas where digestion begins, where the majority of digestion occurs, where the majority of absorption occurs, where water is primarily absorbed. Digestion begins in mouth, most digestion in small intestine, most absorption in small intestine. 12. Function of epiglottis. Epiglottis prevents food from entering the trachea. 13. Gastric gland secretion. Gastric glands secrete hydrochloric acid, pepsinogen, and mucus. 14. Role of liver, pancreas, and gallbladder in digestion. Liver produces bile, gallbladder stores bile, pancreas produces digestive enzymes and bicarbonate. 15. Why are some nutrients referred to as essential? Some nutrients that we need that can't be created by the body. 16. Mineral needed for proper functioning of nerves, muscles, and bones. Calcium. 17. On a global basis, what is the most significant type of malnutrition? Protein. Energy malnutrition. 18. Different regions of the digestive tube, starting from the mouth to the anus. Mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. 19. Closed circulatory system versus open circulatory system. Closed system, blood stays in vessels. Open system, blood released into body cavity. 20. Function of artery, vein, and capillary. Arteries carry blood away from heart, veins return blood, capillaries allow exchange. 21. Function of white blood cells. Defend the body against pathogens, bacteria, viruses, and parasites. 22. What types of behavior can improve cardiovascular health and what types of behavior can harm cardiovascular health? Improve. Exercise, healthy diet, no smoking. Harm. Smoking, inactivity, high-fat diet. 23. Method of gas exchange in earthworm. Earthworms exchange gases through moist skin. 24. Structure used by insects for breathing. Insects breathe using a tracheal system with spiracles. 25. How is human breathing regulated? Breathing is regulated by the brainstem responding to CO2 levels. 26. How is oxygen transported throughout the body? Binding to hemoglobin inside red blood cells. 27. Define. Homeostasis, balance. Diuretic, promotes urine output. Neuron, nerve cell. Digestion, process to breaking down food. Vitamins, organic micronutrients. Leukemia, blood cancer. Atherosclerosis, artery plaque buildup blockage in heart. Anemia, low red blood cells. Bronchi, air waves of lungs. Alveoli, air sacs for gas exchange. Breathing, air going in and out of lungs.